Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing video. So we have the third box to unbox. So we've done the first one. If you haven't watched the first video, please do me a favor and watch the first video, and then we're going to do the unboxing of the third item. I got I think it's from Temu. So I unboxed the first and second, and this is the third unboxing. So let's see what I got in this medium size box. So let's go. Oh, I didn't greet you properly. If you're new to my channel, you're so very welcome, and thank you for stopping by. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for stopping by again, and for all your support. I don't take it for granted. So welcome, 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 everybody. Now let's see what is inside this box. You know, I already know what it is, but I want you to see as well. So who can guess what this is? Can you guess what that is? Can you? Here we go. This is a shoe storage box. It's like a mini wardrobe for all your shoes. So I'm just going to position the video in the camera so that you can see it better. And I'm going to upload a photo as well, so that you can see after I have assembled it. It's so easy to assemble. You see what I'm doing? So it's just taking a shape like that. So if you are in need of a shoe storage for your shoes, this is good, and it's cheap. If you like, you can buy the wooden ones from other shops or departmental shops, but this one is from Temu. This is the second time I am ordering this. I ordered the first one, I liked it, and that's why I'm ordering again. So just like that, it's so easy. That's why I like this, because I'm not good with tools and stuff. So this is very easy to assemble. You see, it's already assembled. This is the back of it. So this is the back. You just need to go like this, push it backwards, and it clicks here, and that's it. Oh, my hand is stuck. Okay. So, and if you want to fold it back, you just have to push these ones inside and then disable it. So that's what it looks like, and this is the front of it. So say, for example, I want to keep these sandals in. No, that's not how to do it. And I think it opens from here. So this goes in here and it clicks. So you just grab it from here, you open it, and then you slide in your shoes or sandals or slippers and then close it. So that's what it looks like. This will contain, like, let me flip the camera and I can show you. Now, so that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has 6 shelves. This will fit in 6 shoes. That's it. Now, hope you enjoyed that unboxing. Thank you again for watching. To my old subscribers, I'm so happy to have you and I appreciate your presence all the time. And for those who stop by for the first time, thank you so much, and please keep stopping by. If you like to see this pretty face again, please stay glued to this channel, because I always have, stuff to showcase with you. And I do short videos as well, just to make you laugh. What is this word without a little bit of laughter? So if you've enjoyed this video, clock it, and thank you for stopping by. God bless you. See you next time. Please don't forget to like, comment below whether you like this shoe storage or not. What is your thought about it? And subscribe, please, if you haven't done so. Bye bye. God bless you.